everyone, welcome to BMW Today. My name is Sarah and today I will show you the My BMW app and I will explain you how you use the app in your daily life, not only in connection with your car, but also in connection with the world of BMW. What I really like about the app is that I can check my vehicle status from wherever I am. I can easily check, are my doors or windows open or closed? Is my tire pressure sufficient? And I will be even actively informed via the app if I need a service. It will also show me the remaining range of my battery, and if I plan a trip, the app will recommend available charging stations on my way. Close before the trip, I can send that route to my BMW. A also very often used feature is that you can climatize your car before departure. And if you're not sure if you left something in your car, just check out the interior camera on your phone. What I also really like, hey BMW, take a selfie.
Awesome. Show us a smile in 3, 2, 1.
And something really helpful is that if you received a notification that a service is required, you can make the dealer appointment easily via the My BMW app. You can choose to check in online and your dealer is able to send you a personalized service video to the app. In case your vehicle is ready for a collection, you will also receive a notification. The app is the perfect connection to your car. And through the Explorer tab, you're also connected to the world of BMW, where you find interesting stories. If you want to keep your vehicle always fresh, you can check out the BMW online shop, which is linked directly in the app. We are constantly developing new features. Thanks to your feedback, we were already able to introduce the dark mode or the honk horn. More exciting features will come in the near future. So if you have not downloaded the app yet, just go to the app stores. And if you're not connected yet, try out the features with our new demo mode. If you want to know more, check out the link above and unplug your BMW and enjoy driving.